Welcome to today's question. Let us solve the question we have on the board. Solution. So we have roots of x, of x, of x, and the fourth one equals 27. So we start by squaring both sides. So if we square both sides, this 2 cancels out the square root. So we have x, root of x, root of x, root of x equals 27 squared. So now we square both sides again. And now we have x squared. This 2 cancels that one out, becomes x times root of x equals 27 raised to power 4. And that's from the fact that we know that a raised to power m times n is equal to a raised to power mn. Okay, so now from here, we also know that a raised to power m times a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So this we're going to apply to the left hand side. So left hand side becomes x raised to power 2 plus 1 times x root of x equals 27 raised to power 4. So we have x raised to power 3 root of x equals 27 raised to power 4. So let's square both sides again. And we have x raised to power 3, 2 times square root of x squared equals 27, 4, 2. This 2 cancels the square roots. So we have x raised to power 6, 3 times 2 times x times root of x equals 4 times 2 will give us 8. So x here is also x raised to power 1. So we're going to add the powers and it becomes x raised to power 7 root of x equals 27 raised to power 8. So we square both sides again to get rid of the square roots. So now we have x raised to power 7 to root of x squared equals 27 raised to power 8 squared. Okay, these 2 cancels the square root. So we have x raised to power 14, that x raised to power 1, because x raised to power 1 is the same thing as x, equals 27 raised to power 8 times 2 will give us 16. So we add these powers because the bases are the same. So let's add the exponents, become 15 equals 27 raised to power 16. Now to get rid of the 15, and so that the x is standing alone, we just divide up the exponent by 1 over 15. So left hand side becomes x raised to power 15 times 1 over 15. And what we do to the left hand side, we also do to the right hand side. So they cancel out. So what we have is x equals 27 raised to power 16 divided by 15. Now we know that 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 3. So now we have x equals 3 raised to power 3, 16 divided by 15, which is the same thing as 3 raised to power 3 dot 16 over 15. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 5. So our x now is equal to 3 raised to power 16 divided by 5. And now this is our final answer to the question. So now, but we need to prove to ensure that our answer is correct. And for our answer to be correct, the left-hand side needs to be equal to the right-hand side. So let us verify. To verify, we plug in the value of x wherever we find x. So we have 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, and the root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5. Let's see if the left-hand side is going to be equal to the right-hand side. So again, we start by squaring both sides. So now the 2 cancels out the square root, and then we have 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, the root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 3 raised to the power 16 over 5. This is 27 squared. If we square both sides again, now we get 3 raised to the power 16 over 5 all squared, and the square root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5 all squared. And then this becomes 2 times 2 becomes 4. This 2 cancels out that square root, and this 2 multiplies 16 over 5. So we have 3 raised to the power 32 over 5 times 3 raised to the power 16 over 5 times the root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, and then root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5. Okay, 27 raised to the power 4. Now, we have the same base, so let us add the exponents. So now we have 3 raised to the power 32 divided by 5 plus 16 divided by 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 27 raised to the power 4. So if we add the powers up, we have 3 raised to the power 6 plus 2 is 8, so we have 48 divided by 5, root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 16 over 5, 27 raised to the power 4. So next is to square both sides again. So we square both sides again, and we have 3 raised to the power 48 over 5 squared with the square root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 16 over 5 all squared. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Okay, this 2 cancels out the square root, and 48 over 5 multiplies 2, and we have 3 raised to the power 8 times 2 is 16, carry 1, 4 times 2 8, plus 1 is 9 divided by 5 times 3 raised to the power 16 over 5 times the square root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5. And let's see if that's going to be equal to what we have on the right hand side. So the same base, we add the exponents again. So 3 raised to the power 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 11 divided by 5 times the square root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5, 27 raised to the power 8. So again, for the last time, we square both sides. And so we have 3 raised to the power 112 divided by 5 all squared, and the square root of 3 raised to the power 16 over 5 all squared. 27 raised to power 8 times 2 will give us 16. So 112 divided by 5 times 2 will give us 3 raised to power. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. All divided by 5. Times this 2 cancels the square root. And we have 16 over 5 equals 27 raised to power 16. Right. Again, same base. And then we just add the exponents. So now we have 3 raised to power. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 240 divided by 5. And let's see if that's equal to, oh no. Let's not forget the last, oh no, we've already added it, yes. That's already added. 27 raised to power 16. Okay. Now, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 4, and that's 8. So now we have 3 raised to power 48. See if that's equal to what we have on the right hand side. 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 3. So we have 3 raised to power 48, 3 raised to power 3, 16. The powers can multiply, so we have 3 raised to power 48 being equal to 3 raised to power 48. So our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is, let's see, value of x that we got was 3 raised to power 16 over 5. That is the correct answer to this question. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share it. Thank you for watching. I will see you again on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.